This one video has earned over $5,000 in ad revenue. You see the audience retention. Importantly, how people found this video and the earning details. It has a lot of engagement and about 450,000 likes. Here is another video that was recently added. It has earned around $140 so far. You see the engagement, the countries that the video gets views from. So as you can see, I have tried this new strategy myself and you see proof of earnings. So this method is actually working for me to make money online with YouTube without making videos. I'm going to give you the exact 5 steps, the websites I use so that you can follow along, copy this method and actually make money online. Out of the 5 steps, the fourth step is the most important step. If you don't do this correctly, you will say in the comments that this method doesn't work. I will also give you 3 bonus tips so that you can maximize your earnings. And towards the end of this video, I will give you examples so that you can get an even better idea on how this strategy works. This is a simple method, but not many people know about it. You don't need to create any videos. You don't even need a YouTube channel. And yes, this method is a legit way to make money online with YouTube. This works worldwide. You don't even need a laptop or a computer. You can just use your mobile phone and do this. So no excuses. Don't just watch this video. Actually do the steps and you will see results. To make this method work, there are 2 things you need. First of all, obviously you need an internet connection and you just need about 10 minutes each day. Do you have these? Then give this video a like and let's move on to the first step. Go to this free website called Exploding Topics. This site gives you topics that are about to emerge into trending topics. You can search topics by category, even see trends for up to about 15 years, but for this purpose, select the last month. Then select one of the categories that you have an interest in. This will work for any niche. For example, I will choose finance and here you see various topics related to cryptocurrency. Copy to your notepad a couple of these topics. This site gives generic trending topics, but if you want a topic specific to your country, maybe you like your native language, then go to trends.google.com. You can search by region for a specific topic or find the recently trending searches. Whatever the topic, make a list of at least 5 topics to start with. The next step is how you find related videos which you can use without violating any rules. But before that, if you're new to this channel, I want to remind you to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification to be the first to know when I release value-packed videos like this which helps you make money. Moving on to step 2, go to YouTube. Don't worry, you don't need to upload any videos to YouTube. This is something totally different and you can still make money with YouTube. So keep watching. On the search field, type one of the topic names that you got from step 1. Now here is the first bonus tip. In the filters, select Creative Commons. This means that the YouTube creator has given permission to use this video. Then you need to select 1 month because you want recent videos. Copy the link of about 5 videos for each topic category that you got from step 1. I will tell you how to use these links in step 4, which is the most important step. Moving on to step 3, you need to create a Facebook page around the trending topics. Here are a few example Facebook pages which use this strategy. You can get ideas from these pages. The way you make money online with YouTube without making videos is by adding videos based on a topic to a Facebook page. Then you can monetize with in-stream ads. Here is a film-based page and you see the amount of views these videos get. Here is another example based on food. Another one based on entertainment. These types of videos are getting views and engagement, which also mean you can make more money. Once you create a page, the easiest way to get these videos to Facebook is to stream videos. I use GoStream for that, but you can use any streaming service. So the next step is about linking your Facebook page with GoStream. Log into your GoStream account and on the left hand side click Profile. Then select Facebook and you will see a window which says Link Facebook account. Click on Connect and once you log in, your account will be linked. Next, select Automatic Live Stream from Pre-recorded video. Where it says Add Video, paste one of the links you got from step 2. It will automatically populate the title, but keep watching. I will give you the next bonus tip to get more views. Here, for the destination, if you did step 4 correctly, you should be able to see your Facebook page. Select that. Now, here is the next bonus tip. Don't give the same title as the YouTube video. If you want to make money with YouTube, then you need to add a catchy title that appeals to the Facebook audience. Then it will start streaming if you schedule it to start now. This is important if you want to get views. Go to that link and click on more options and share this video with groups that are related to the video that you just streamed. Find related groups that might be interested in this type of video. That's how you get views to that video because you're not spamming with any other links. You're sharing a live video and more people are likely to watch it if it's in a niche that they are interested in. You need to do this for all the videos that you got from step 2, but don't do this on the first day. Schedule your videos so that there are about 2 videos each day. If you follow this strategy, then you will be able to meet the monetization requirements really soon to make money online. I have created several other videos in the past to make money online with YouTube without creating videos. Watch that video next and see which method you like best.